Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will share you guys my first time to receive a Google citation of my research study. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters, no, in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. When I wake up this morning, I am very surprised that for more than a year, my published study about human resource information system with machine learning integration that I published in Kubahan Academic Journal way back last year 2022, there is already one citation. So one of the indication that you will know that you receive a Google citation is that it will send you an email, okay, just like this one. So Google Scholar citations do not reply. Change is the only constant. If you have recently changed your affiliation or areas of research, it's good time to update your Scholar profile. If not, please accept our apologies in this regard, this annual reminder. Now, when I go here in my Google Scholar, we have already see there is already cited by one. So here, since 2018, I have already one citation. High index one. Okay. So my study is all about human resource information system with machine learning integration. Actually, this is my capstone project when I finished my master's degree in information technology way back in 2020 prior to the pandemic, no, coronavirus pandemic. I, so I am happy and glad that my hard work, my sacrifices paid off by having at least one citation. So having a one citation is already a vindication that my paper, there are already some researcher just like me that is interested also in my study. Now, my paper was published in Kubahan Academic Journal. Okay, I will put a link in the video description if you want no to have a copy of this, no. So it's all about how I integrate machine learning in a system that I have created, no, using PHP, MySQL, and other technologies for human resource information system. So here we have here the abstract, no. So the human resource information system with machine learning integration was developed to aid in the management of employees' records, profiling, turnover data analytics, and the generation of electronic personal data sheets used by the government service records. It was developed with the feature of predicting employees' turnover, which I already integrate machine learning using supervised machine learning method. The system can also generate the following reports, namely the government service record, years of service, and loyalty awards, and available leave credits of the employees. To determine the quality of the developed system, the researcher used the ISO 25010 or the software quality um, software quality model as the basis when evaluating the properties of a software product. The integration of machine learning in the human resource information system proves to be very useful tool if integrated into a human resource information system to predict trends in the different aspects of human resource management. Based on the thorough evaluation of the experts and respondents, it was found that the human resource information system is highly usable, secured, efficient, and provides a fast and easy way to manage employees' records and predict employees over using supervised machine learning that uses the linear regression method. Okay, so I am very happy, no, that my research paper was cited, no, this 2023. Thank you so much, no, for watching this video. I hope that I was able to inspire, no, my fellow researcher, um, that deals with different areas of research, technology based or social science. So thank you for watching, guys. As I said, I will put a link in the video description where you can download my paper now. And if you want, please cite it also. Thank you in advance. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel, guys, if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial, guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.